Back at it again. Cali Kitchen Reviews. You know where we went to? Billionaire Burger Boys. You feel me? Got that nice shrimp burger. Got the nice lobster tail burger. You feel me? Fresh from the ocean. Motherfucker came right up out of there. You feel me? Just for our review right now. And let's not forget these fries. They got a good, nice little look to them. You feel me? Nice and flaky. Let's get into it, man. Let's stop talking about it. Let's be about it. Going right into the shrimp burger. Mm-hmm. It's cheesy. You can taste the pure meat. You got the nice pieces of shrimp, man. Let me really show you a whole shrimp in there. Look, this is shrimp. You thought that was a patty, huh? That whole big thing right there, that's shrimp. Fire. Get down the next bite for sure. They did so well. This is bomb. Got caramelized onions, cheese, shrimp. Definitely some fire. Let me get this up off my face, man. It's definitely good. Let's go try. Let's check out these fries. Yeah. They're doing something right at Billionaire Boys Burger. Billionaire Burger Boys. All that make you want to say it backwards. It's so good. Make you feel rich. I feel like being there, man, right now. Oh. A nice flake. And yet soft when you bite in. Like, right? We're just going to pull that tail right on off. Yeah, we ain't missing none of that. Going right on in. Lobster tail. This is what we, man, trying to check it out, man. Lobster on the patty. Let's open it up. Let's go. Look how full and hearty this lobster is. The blend. The blend. Fire. Cheese. They got some kind of sauce on here. I don't know if y'all can see the little spikes on the sauce with the cheese and all that. Definitely good, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you up. I'm about to get back in this. Until next time, man, don't take my word for it. Go get you a bar. Cali Kitchen Reviews signing out from Billionaire Burger Boys. Brr.